Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hey everybody! Hope you're having a great day out there. Guess what we're making today?
We are going to be making healthy frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt, because it's his favorite. He has it every night.
I do. I have ice cream or frozen yogurt every night. It's my guilty pleasure.
It is, and if we don't have any, he gets bummed out.
I do.
Legitimately bummed out. Like, we're out of yogurt.
I know.
So guess what we got him for Father's Day? An ice cream maker.
An ice cream maker. It's like the perfect gift.
I'm just so happy we got you a gift you really like, because I feel like we've had some Father's Day that we've given you some duds, and this was a good Father's Day.
Score. Not only an ice cream maker, but I got a kitchen blowtorch, which I've been wanting forever, and I also got this nice shirt and this hat.
Somebody was really happy with his Father's Day.
Yes.
He's wanting to show you guys all his stuff.
So I was really excited to get the ice cream maker because my favorite frozen yogurt that I used to eat every night got discontinued. But the reason I liked it so much is that it's a super healthy frozen yogurt, so I didn't have to feel as guilty about having it every night.
I'm always like, you don't need to feel guilty anyway. He's the healthy one in the family, if you can't tell. He eats very healthy. So Josh, how do we make your healthy frozen yogurt?
Okay, this recipe could not be easier. So here's what you'll need for healthy frozen yogurt. 3 cups non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 cup skim milk, 1/3 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and a pinch of sour salt.
And obviously, in addition to these ingredients, you're gonna need an ice cream maker.
Yes.
So this is a Cuisinart one that we got him at Williams-Sonoma, but they sell them everywhere.
Yeah, they sell them everywhere. Or you could use the hand crank ones. That
The old timey. I love that. We always did that. My grandmother always made homemade ice cream. She would put peaches in it, all kinds of stuff.
I mean, it's delicious. And I can't wait to make real ice cream as well on the channel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go crazy with the ice cream.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's get started making the frozen yogurt. So the first thing we need to do is add our Greek yogurt and our milk. So we'll put the Greek yogurt into the bowl, add the milk, and just whisk this together.
I'm just gonna stand over here and watch you whisk. I'm gonna watch you whisk. Is that a song? Like watch you nay nay? Is that like watch you whisk?
You are asking the wrong person. So once you have the yogurt and the milk nicely whisked together, then we'll just add the rest of the ingredients. Add the sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then we'll add the sour salt. If you don't have sour salt, lemon juice is fine and it tastes great too, but this just gives it a little extra tartness that I like. So then we'll just mix this together. So now this is all mixed together, I'm going to put this into the refrigerator.
And I'm gonna prep the ice cream maker.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, just put that freezer tub right there, and then we'll just lock it.
Okay.
And let's turn on to make sure it's working. All right, now I'm gonna go get the frozen yogurt mixture, and we'll pour it in.
So we have found if you have this type of Cuisinart ice cream maker, it's better to turn on the little spindle before you pour things in, so the yogurt doesn't stick to the side.
Right, it freezes pretty quick.
Like that.
And unlike ice cream, this comes together really quick. It's like 5 minutes and you're pretty much done with your frozen yogurt. Ice cream takes about 15 to 20. So here we go. Look inside.
I have to go on my tippy toes.
See how it's getting thicker?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's fast.
You can tell you're done when it stops kind of churning, so it kind of will stick to the paddles more, and then you'll know that you're pretty much done. This yogurt's looking great. Look, so now it's like it's kind of sticking to the paddles and not really moving around anymore.
Yeah.
See that? So let's try a little.
It's tart, but I like it.
Yeah. So now we're ready to turn this off. I will transfer the frozen yogurt into this container and then get a scoop for each of us. All right. So as you can see, it comes out of the ice cream maker pretty thick. Push it off the paddle and get it back into the freezer bowl. And then we will transfer it to the ice cream container. There you go. You can lick that if you'd like.
Yummy.
Yeah.
That was really good.
It's really good. And you don't have to feel guilty about eating it every night, if that's your thing. It's
If
my
you're
thing.
Josh, you want to eat it every night.
Also, when I eat ice cream, I don't like to just have a little bit. I like to have like half the pint, you know?
That's no joke. So we get the kids to bed, we put on our show, whatever we're watching. He grabs his tub of ice cream and a spoon. I'm like, babe, you wanna put that in a bowl? No? Okay.
So I should say right now this frozen yogurt is very soft. Kind of like the soft serve you get at the frozen yogurt place.
Right, but you put it in the freezer and he likes to eat it like frozen,
Yeah.
like frozen yogurt.
If you want to eat it later and have the same consistency, just leave it out for probably about 15 minutes before you serve it.
Or eat it, you know, crunchy, like that one.
1 scoop or 2, my lady.
I'm gonna go 1 scoop.
There you go.
Okay.
And I'm gonna scoop myself 1 too.
So my favorite topping of choice for frozen yogurt are just strawberries. You know, I love strawberries. As you guys know, I made him make a strawberry cake. Yeah, that's so delicious. What's yours?
Yeah, mine, I just like to put a little granola on mine. Just a little sprinkle of granola with this ice cream I think is delicious.
If you're gonna indulge in a sweet treat, you can't get healthier.
You really can't.
It's so good.
You really can't.
I love it.
They're so good.
It's so good. And now you don't have to get sad because we're out of ice cream. You can just make it.
I know, and it took what? It took like what, 10 minutes to make?
Yeah.
So easy.
Before we sign off today, we have to say a special thank you to Adam Hendershot, who did a fancy photo shoot of Josh and I right here in our
It
kitchen.
was like the real deal.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, and I got to be a dork, and he got to look handsome. You did. But Adam, thank you so much. We're so happy with them. We'll show a few here, and we're going to be putting some on our website
Yep.
too. We're trying to be official, guys.
Yeah.
We're trying.
How's it working out for us so far? What do you think?
You can follow Adam on Instagram. We'll put all of his stuff. Oh, and his friend Eddie filmed like video of us.
Yeah,
so
some
thank
behind
you,
the
Eddie.
scenes stuff. Thank you, Eddie.
All right, you guys, have such a great week. We hope you enjoy this healthy frozen yogurt.
Yes, and tag us if you make this, and check out our website.
Yes, it is bakingwithjoshandange.com. He's putting more recipes on there all the time. And what else? Oh, we have some fun guests that are coming by. And so, yeah.
Some big surprises.
Some big surprises. All right, we'll see you soon.
All right, bye,
Thanks,
guys.
Hey guys, come inside. We're doing a photo shoot today for our baking channel.
3, 1, 2. Yeah.
Chin down. No.
Wait.
Not quite.
I'll be right back. Am I done with
Say
the
it.
shirt too?
Yes, that t-shirt.
one?
And yeah.
Fair enough.
Those-
I mean, they probably would.
Maybe not the second part of it.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. That's perfect.
This works.
Start to capture. Okay.
So I think if you like just with our lights and all right, we are done.